Hi everyone, today I'm sharing a low-calorie recipe, oatmeal tuna porridge. Replacing one meal a day with oatmeal is great for your health, and this recipe is so easy and convenient. Let's get started. Start by adding 1 cup of oatmeal into a bowl. Next, add a small can of tuna, about 3 ounces. I'm using matcham tuna, which has a rich, savory flavor. Pour in about 3/4 cup, 6.7 ounces, of unsweetened soy milk or regular milk. Microwave it for 2 minutes. Stir everything well, then microwave for another 2 minutes. For seasoning, add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. Crumble a sheet of roasted seaweed with your hands and sprinkle it over the porridge. The flavor is amazing. The tuna and soy sauce bring just the right amount of umami to the porridge. The sesame oil and seeds make it extra nutty and satisfying. I highly recommend trying this recipe exactly as it is. Have a simple and delicious day with simplkeimiel.